says it will not recognize the judgment in the ongoing maritime case pitting it against Somalia. Foreign Affairs Principal Secretary Macharia Kamau said Kenya has at the same time withdrawn compulsory jurisdiction from the International Court of Justice. This as the court is set to issue its ruling on the matter on Tuesday next week. Over the years, Kenya has maintained that a maritime boundary agreement has been in existence since 1979 and has been pushing for a diplomatic solution between Kenya and Somalia. However, in 2014, Somalia took Kenya to a third party, the International Court of Justice or the ICJ, after failing to reach an agreement. Fast forward into 2021, that is 7 years later, the matter is yet to be settled since the ICJ's rulings are binding but it lacks enforcement powers. In a press statement on Friday, Foreign Affairs Principal Secretary Macharia Kamau announced that Kenya will not recognize ICJ's judgment on the Kenya-Somalia maritime dispute scheduled for October the 12th.
The delivery of the judgment will be the culmination of a flawed judicial process that Kenya has had reservations with and withdrawn from on account not just of its obvious and inherent bias, but also of its unsuitability to resolve the dispute at hand. The filing of a case against Kenya at the court and the court's assumption of jurisdiction where it had none are demonstrative of new tactics of using pseudo-judicial processes to undermine territorial integrity.
Sometime in September 24, the ICJ announced it will deliver the judgment on the 7-year maritime case, even though Kenya had withdrawn from the matter in March 2021. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs at the time cited court bias and external interferences as the main concerns. The dispute is in regard to the ownership of more than 100,000 square kilometers of the Indian Ocean waters. Kenya has since been pushing for the matter to be settled out of court.
And in addition to withdrawing its participation from the current case, Kenya, on the 24th September 2021, also joined many other members of the United Nations in withdrawing its recognition of the court's compulsory jurisdiction. Every Kenyan is to be assured that the government of Kenya is fully seized of this matter. Kenyans are therefore called upon to remain calm before, during, and after the delivery of the judgment.
Somalia's Ministry of Foreign Affairs is yet to issue a statement on the same.